everyone, this is Hazel from ShuangOu, which has over 3,000 designed tiles and mosaic. Today what I'm going to talk about is our newest design, Dark Verdant Green. We have 4 sides of it. One is 97, 48, hexagon, and 25. It's not only the swimming pool tiles, but also the house using tiles. So our design idea is come from a Morocco hotel, which located in North America, and most people were attracted by a picture. As you can see, there's a green swimming pool surrounded by a lot of plants. People feel comfortable and relax in that environment, and that's the reason we decided to have these tiles. So compared to the normal blue tiles, the Dark Verdant Green seems more suitable for the outdoor swimming pool tiles, not only because it's a new trend, but also the color is more close to the nature. The Dark Verdant Green tiles can also be used in your kitchen and your washroom. Brass and gold fixture can work perfectly with this tile, and it's the major trend at the moment called hotel looks trend. And here is the example. And that's everything for today. If you want to know more information about our product, please contact us or go visit our website. Thank you. Bye.